Okay, we got a transfer train coming from Sharon Yard in Sharonville. And the reason that I know it's a transfer is that he's running long hood forward. Oh, nice. We got an 84-foot boxcar Conrail coming in this. It's Conrail, but it says NYC on the box. I wonder how long this is actually going to be. Probably end up making a short out of this if it's too long. Oh, this thing has at least one car of coiled steel on it. Loaded. Southern Pacific. Oh, it's on a Southern car too. That's sweet. Seriously, Dottie? Oh, this is going to last a lot longer than a minute. I wonder if he'll have another engine on the... no, he doesn't have an engine on the head or the back of the train. It's just about done. Let's see, 4 out of the last 5 cars are box cars. There we go. And that's it.